You know that moment when you need to make a quick fix, but your big power drill is just too bulky? Or you're trying to sand a tight corner, and you end up doing it by hand because your tool can't reach. It's frustrating. You end up with a half-finished project, or you damage the material because you just can't get the right angle. That's the problem with most rotary tools, they're tethered to a wall outlet, and the cord always seems to get in the way. This is where the USB cordless rotary tool comes in. It's designed to be the compact, portable solution for those small jobs that a full-size drill just can't handle. Think of it as a precision pen that can grind, cut, polish, and engrave. It's powered by a rechargeable battery, so you can take it anywhere, no extension cord needed. The 3-speed settings, from 8,500 to 21,000 revolutions per minute, let you match the power to the task. Slower speeds for delicate engraving on glass or metal, faster speeds for cutting through plastic or light wood. What makes this tool genuinely useful is its size. It fits in your hand like a marker, giving you the control you need for detailed work. The included accessory set covers a lot of ground: grinding stones, cutting discs, sanding bands, and polishing tips. So whether you're cleaning up a solder joint, carving a design into a piece of leather, or removing rust from a small bolt, you have the right bit ready to go. It's also great for hobbyists who work with circuit boards, model kits, or jewelry. The wireless design means you can work on a project without having to clear a space near an outlet. Now, you might be wondering if a cordless tool can really deliver enough power. The key here is that it's built for precision, not demolition. It won't replace your heavy-duty drill for boring large holes, but it excels at the small, detailed tasks that a big tool would ruin. The variable speed is a real advantage. You can start slow to get a feel for the material, then increase the speed as you gain confidence. And because it charges via USB, you can top it off from a laptop, a power bank, or a car charger. That convenience alone can save you from a lot of frustration. So if you've ever struggled with a cramped workspace, or wished you had a tool that could handle those tiny repairs without the hassle of a cord, this rotary tool is worth a look. It's designed to give you the control and portability you need for everyday projects, from home repairs to creative crafts. To see the full set of accessories, check the available speed options, and decide if it fits your workflow. Just open the product link below. Review the details, and if it looks like a good match for your toolbox, it's a practical addition that can make those small jobs a lot easier.